I want to process a piece of fabric, plastic, wood or metal in a machine. How do I make sure it is in the right spot and facing the right direction? A very popular and widely used method is to point a laser beam at the workpiece from above. This can be a dot, line or crosshair laser. This way I can see at first glance where the machine is going to start cutting, welding, drilling or sawing. Or if I want to mark a certain area in a large hall. You can also mount the laser on the fork of a forklift to facilitate alignment with the pallet and greater heights. My name is Stephan Krauß, and at Laser Components, I am responsible for selling the ILM12 laser modules, the handling of which I will explain in a little more detail over the next few minutes. We have set up an application here that is simple as it is helpful. In this case, the task is to place a label in the same position and at the same angle on a workpiece. Sometimes this is necessary for aesthetic and technical reasons. We are here in a production facility for laser modules in Auching near Munich. That's why my colleague Alexander, who usually assembles such and similar lasers here by hand, will demonstrate this. Alexander, how many lasers pass through your hands each year? Thousands. Thousands. We can see here in our setup that even for skilled craftsmen with a trained eye and high dexterity, that the cross on the workpiece is a great help in positioning the label perfectly. Thank you, Alexander. You're welcome. In the next chapters of this video, we will show you step by step how to get to such a setup.